Still on track and field, Kishane Thompson still has tongues wagging after his superlative run on Friday night to win the 100 meters at the national championships. But for Thompson, his focus is on executing his race well. Denise Walters reports.
Despite running 9.77 seconds, becoming the joint 9th fastest man overall and the 4th fastest Jamaican ever, Kishane Thompson is not worried about whether or not he'll go faster.
Being competitive can somewhat blind your focus. Understand? So for me, up until this very moment, I'm moving forward, it's always going to be my execution. The win and the time will come. Understand? If you're focusing on what you should do, technically, it should come. It should be second nature. But first, I'm just going to think about all the things that I need to do, my technicalities.
Thompson explains he didn't run according to instructions in either the final or the semi-finals.
The objective was to run the first 50 and separate myself from the field and then watch from there. But when I did that, as I said, I never did runs before. It was always one-off races, and I didn't know how to have that speed. And someone would say like shut it down or like cruise. I never did it before, so running with that speed, I didn't know how to apply myself. Because I tried it, but it felt as if I was going to drop or fail. So I glanced, but it felt like I make a misstep, or overstride or understride.
And after the semis, he thought this was going to happen.
Well, I make it come again, because I'm this kind of guy. I listen to my coach and I try to execute best as possible. But I have a tendency to feel bad if I can't get it, or if I'm really trying my best but I couldn't get it. So he said, I went to him, and he said, "No, man, it's okay. You're just too fast." So I said, I tried it, but I didn't get it as best as I wanted. I said, "Oh, you're just too fast. I soon know how to do it."
Thompson told the TVJ Sports he wasn't focused on becoming national champion, as his instruction was to run the first 60 or 70 meters and just make the team. Meanwhile, he says when he saw that he won, he was a little overwhelmed with all the attention after becoming the national champion.
And then I saw everyone, the camera come in and the excitement, so I don't think I can manage it. So I'm just going to excuse myself, So I went around and I said, the shoes and the clothes that I brought, I said, I'll let someone get that for me. I'm just going to cool down.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.